Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. And I am here with my planner. I'm actually a little late for the week of Monday, January 4th through Sunday, January 10th. And not much going on this week, as you can see. I have Scott's schedule worked in here. Scott, work, off, work, work. So that's this week. So this was last week's layout. It was Happy New Year's. And you can see, if you go back to my last video, I have a lot of stuff put in that I added. And all that good stuff. Now we're to this week. So, I did a vintage layout. And I have Scott's work schedule, of course. And then I have work at taking tree down. That's my goal for this week. My tree's still up, guys. But I wanted to leave my tree up till my son saw it. And he surprised me today. And he's home. Sorry about my hands. I was doing mixed media. And then I realized, oh, I forgot to do my planner. So here I am. Mixed media hands and all. And you will see why in the near future. So what I did on this layout is I wanted to go with a vintage theme. So I have these numbers up here that I covered. Kind of vintagey. Have this little clock. It has a bird in. I have this ticket here. Or coupon, not ticket. Well, it's a ticket, but it's it says ice coupon. And I thought this little pig and this metal on it, I thought was cute. The washi tape has vintage looking music notes on it. And this one has travel and invitation, and this is just some brown light colored washi tape I use. This is a sticker that was like a newspaper clipping, and then this one over here, another clock face. Right here is just, it says Emily Academy. It's like a certificate. I got this little vintage looking sticker there. Got this one down here, the fax, and it has a key here. And that is the layout for this week. So I'll bring it up closer, you can see. So there's the clock. Isn't that pretty? I think it's so cool. The coupon. Here, let me see. There we go. And then the tag. Then you see the washi. It's music notes. Oh, and I got a saying here. A little dictionary piece there too. It's a sticker. And then there's the newspaper clipping. The bottom washi tape. Here's the clock again. This little sticker. And then this little sticker here. These were all stickers I found this week. The key, and then that. And then that washi tape. And I added back here on the month of January, I added cheers here just to give it something. I needed it. So that is my planner layout for the week of January 4th through the 10th. If you have any future sales coming up, let me know, because I'm going to throw them out during the week to let you all know. Because next week there's a few things going on that I will be mentioning, and then they will be in my layout. And because there is none for this week that I know of, because I don't have any wrote down. So I want to thank each and every one of you that actually come in, spend the time watching my planner videos. Like I said last week, I love doing my planner, and I miss that I did not do it last year, or the last 2 years. I don't remember. I keep my planners. They're in a filing cabinet downstairs, because I also write things in that me and Scott did, paid, just, it becomes kind of a journal aspect too, so I save them in a filing cabinet downstairs. So, they help me out a lot, and I miss doing it. So this year I decided, the way 2020 was, 2021 I was keeping track. So, but that's this week's layout. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you next week. And like I said, if you have any event, sale, something that you want others to hear about, let me know in the comments. I will add it to, let me know in the comments, or shoot me an email at tinascraftylife@gmail.com and let me know. So I'll add it to my planner, and I will announce it during these videos and get the word out there for you. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody, and see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.